Hello everyone, welcome to Leadway. In the last video, we have seen how to install the main application and Leadway key generation. Now in this small video today, I am going to show you how to create devices. On the main screen of Leadway, just click on devices, hit on add device, write the name here and click on create device. When you click on this, it gives you a successful message, and after that show QR code button will be displayed. You just have to click on show QR code. It will display the QR code for you. You just have to go to your WhatsApp, click on these three devices, click on link device, click on link device again and scan the QR code. Once the scanning is complete, it will automatically establish a connection and will give you a success message called connected. There is no limitation as far as the number of devices you can manage. You can connect n number of devices. Okay. So whenever you close the application, for example, I have closed the application and open it again. When you go to devices, this takes about 1 to 2 seconds to establish the saved connection on your computer. Your device is getting connected on your local computer. It is not generating from any third party server. All the database, all the transaction you are making using this application will be stored locally on your computer. I hope this clarifies how to create devices. I will see you in the next video.